I want to tell you a story today about life in the future, a story of a vision of day-to-day life in 2030 and beyond. We've achieved AGI. We now live in a world of ASI. Here's what it looks like. Before we begin, here's some context. I co-created this story with Claude, and it's grounded in real research by economists and my co-author Dave Shapiro. This is a human-centric story about an average day that focuses on quality of life improvements enabled by AI, while acknowledging the economic and social transitions we as a human race are facing in the transition to a post-labor society in the age of ASI. In this story, you're going to learn about the transition to post-labor economics through a hybrid model of UBI and decentralized ownership. You'll learn about the importance of maintaining personal economic agency, even as traditional employment declines. You'll see the shift toward local, community-based solutions and circular economies. You'll learn the role of AI in enhancing rather than replacing human creativity and learning, and the heightened importance of human connection and meaning-making. I've avoided both utopian and dystopian extremes, instead showing you a real period of transition where society is adapting to new economic and social realities. Ready? This was a request from a YouTube commenter. Thank you, Mr. X. Sarah gradually wakes up. Natural light fills her bedroom. No alarm needed since her schedule is largely self-determined now. Her AI home system has already adjusted the temperature and started brewing coffee, having learned her preferences over time. While she gets ready for the day, her home's utility robot is tidying up and starting a load of laundry. The robot isn't quite as advanced as sci-fi predicted. It's more focused on specific household tasks than being a humanoid companion. But it handles the routine maintenance that used to eat up so much of Sarah's time. For no good reason. Humans doing machine work. Over breakfast, Sarah reviews her investment dashboard. Like most people in 2030, she's transitioned from being purely a worker to being part owner in various automated systems through decentralized ownership structures. Her portfolio includes shares in the local automated vertical farm collective that supplies much of her food, the regional renewable energy network, several AI-driven creative content platforms, and a stake in the automated manufacturing facility that produces household goods for her community. The returns, combined with her universal basic income stipend, provide a comfortable standard of living that removes the desperate search for a paycheck from Sarah's life. This hybrid model of UBI plus decentralized ownership emerged as a key solution to maintain economic agency as traditional employment declined. Sarah spends her morning taking an advanced course in biological systems design, not because she needs it for work, but because she's genuinely interested in it. The AI tutor adapts perfectly to her learning style using immersive simulations and real-world examples. Education has become a lifelong pursuit for many in Sarah's world, now that it's disconnected from pure career preparation. Later, she works on her novel with the assistance of an AI writing partner. The AI doesn't write for her, but it helps her develop it beautifully, creating plot points and maintain consistency. Creative pursuits have become more accessible as AI tools democratize technical skills while still leaving room for human creativity and expression. In the afternoon, Sarah heads to her local community center for a gardening workshop. While much food production has been automated, many people choose to maintain small gardens as a hobby and connection to nature. The workshop combines traditional knowledge with AI-optimized growing techniques. The community center itself is a hub of activity. While traditional employment has decreased, people haven't become isolated. Instead, they found new ways to contribute and connect. Some teach skills, others organize events, or work on community improvement projects. Economic value isn't the only measure of contribution anymore. Sarah has a routine health checkup but doesn't need to leave home. Her AI health monitoring system has been tracking her vitals and biomarkers, and she connects with her doctor via immersive telepresence. With AI guiding her health checkups, the results are 1,000 times more accurate than the failure points of a human doctor. The doctor reviews the AI's analysis, but provides the human touch in interpreting results and discussing preventive measures. Healthcare has become more predictive and personalized while remaining fundamentally human-centered. In the evening, Sarah attends a mixed reality concert with friends, some physically present, others attending virtually from around the world. Entertainment has evolved to blend digital and physical experiences seamlessly. The performance itself is a collaboration between human artists and AI, creating something neither could achieve alone. As Sarah prepares for bed, she reflects on how different life is from just a decade ago. The transition wasn't always smooth. There were difficult adjustments as traditional employment declined, and society had to develop new models of economic participation and personal fulfillment. But humans proved adaptable. They found new ways to create value, connect with others, and find meaning beyond traditional work. The AI revolution didn't create a utopia, but it did help build a world where people have more freedom to pursue their interest and contribute to their communities in diverse ways. The basic infrastructure of life, food, shelter, healthcare, education has become more accessible through a combination of automation, UBI, and decentralized ownership. This hasn't eliminated all inequality or challenges, but it has created a foundation for a different kind of society, one where human flourishing isn't tied exclusively to economic productivity. As Sarah drifts off to sleep, her home system gradually dims the lights and adjusts the temperature. Tomorrow will bring new opportunities for learning, creation, and connection in this transformed world. Welcome to Life After AGI. The post-labor economy awaits, and this is the beautiful, accessible, wonderful, decentralized future I believe we can build. Signing off, Dr. McCoy.